Psalm 34:8. Taste and see how good the Lord is. The one who takes refuge in him is truly happy.
Hey wonderful people, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'll be showing you guys how I achieved this beautiful makeup look, and I'll be using the Tilbury Beautiful Skin Foundation to achieve this makeup look. Let me know what you guys think in a comment below. Without further ado, let's get straight into this video. So guys, right now I don't have anything on my face, so I'm gonna go ahead and prep my skin before I apply any products on my face. So I'm just using wipes just to clean my face, you know, from any dirt or whatever that might be on my skin. And then I'm just using a serum just to apply this on my skin. Then I go ahead and use a moisturizer just to, you know, get my skin looking hydrated, as you guys can see. Ooh, fine babe. Then I'm gonna go ahead and use the 24K gold serum primer from Revolution. This is a primer as well, so you can actually use this like a primer. You don't have to put any other primer if you don't want to. Now I'm just moving on to my brows, and I'm just using the Beauty Bay Pomade brow gel, whatever it's called. And I'm just using that to put my eyebrows in place, and then I used my pencil to draw my eyebrows. So now we're just moving on to the eyes. I'm just applying my concealers. I go ahead and apply first the Deep Chestnut concealer from of Cosmetics, and then I went ahead and applied the Magic Touch from Anastasia Beverly Hills shade 10 concealer, just so that my eyeshadows can show a bit more. So I'll be using the Jackie Aina eyeshadow palette to achieve this eye look. As you guys saw, I did show you guys the eyeshadow shades that I'll be using. So first of all, I go ahead with the first shade to use this as my transitioning color. Then I go in with the second shade, just applying that on my crease and also bringing it to my eyelid. And now I'm going in with the, it's like a gold shimmer. Well, it is a gold shimmer. Now I'm going in with the gold shimmer, and I'm applying that just in the center of my eyelid, and I'm just, you know, spreading that out. And I'm also using the second shade and just applying that just to remove any harsh lines. And now I'll go ahead and just do my eyeliner. And the lashes that I'll be using today is from Shein. Is a cat eye lashes. I really love them lashes. It just really brings out my eyes, and I love it. And I feel like it's just the best lashes for this look. Now we're moving on to the base. I'm just gonna go ahead and color correct using the Elf Cosmetics Rich Chocolate Concealer. And today, like I said, we'll be working with the Beautiful Skin Foundation from Tilbury, and I'm using the 14 Neutral. This foundation is a buildable medium coverage, leaving your skin hydrated and also gives you a beautiful glow. So this shade is perfect for deep skin, neutral undertones. So a neutral undertone means you have both warm and cool undertones, and you also tan slightly in the sun. So this is what this shade is all about. And guys, this was just the perfect shade for me. As you guys can see the difference, it literally gives you skin. This foundation is also lightweight. It's not heavy on my skin. It's very lightweight, and you guys can see it does give you that medium coverage as well. I love how this foundation sits on my skin, and I love how it gives me a good complexion as well. Guys, just look at that. Look at that. And also it comes in 30 shades. How amazing is that? I'm also using the Magic Wand concealer from Tilbury. Guys, when I say this concealer is full coverage, this concealer is meant to cover anything that is being stubborn on your face. Any dark spots or whatever it is, this concealer will literally hide it. As you guys can see, whatever I had on my brush is what I'm using to apply in the center of my face. It's crazy. I only had a tiny bit on the brush, and I've used it to apply it everywhere on my face that I need to highlight. Now I'm just going in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills cream contour. I'm going ahead to use a brush to, you know, blend out my concealer, because I do want to have that coverage. So I just use my brush to blend it out, and then I would later on go ahead to use a beauty blender just to go over it. Guys, just look at how smooth my skin looks. Oh my god, Like, just look at how smooth. Just look at this concealer. This concealer, the coverage is insane, guys. Like, I don't even know what to say. Yeah, I'm just going over my concealer with the same brush that I use for my cream contour, just to remove any harsh lines. And then I'm just going ahead to, you know, do my nose as well. Now I'm just going to go ahead to use the Fit Me concealer from Maybelline, just because I want to highlight under my eyes a bit more. So once I finish blending out that concealer and also using my, you know, cream blush, I go ahead and use a beauty blender just to go over everything to make sure everything is blended in properly. And now I'm using the Tilbury airbrush finishing powder just to first set under my eyes. I always do this now, guys, because you don't want any creases under your eyes, guys. Once I finish doing that, I go ahead and use the Huda Beauty setting powder to set my face. I just felt like I wanted to do like a full makeup look with this foundation. Some people actually just use the foundation and the Tilbury airbrush finishing powder and just make it very lightweight, you know, makeup look, but I just wanted to do the whole thing. Now I'm going ahead to use the LYS powder bronzer just to go over that cream bronzer. Guys, just look at how airbrushed I look, how flawless my base is basing. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and use my powder blush, and then I'm using the Revolution highlighter just to highlight my face. Guys, this is it for this look, really. This is such a simple and easy look to do, but I'm just gonna go ahead and highlight my nose as well. As you guys can see, it's giving. Now I'll do my lips, the usual, nothing different. I'm just gonna go ahead and outline my lips with the Revolution lip liner. I'll make sure I put everything down in the description box below, and then I'll go ahead and use the BFF4 Colourpop lip liner as well. Guys, this lip liner is just the best. It's so creamy, it's easy to apply. Then I'll just go ahead and apply this nude lipstick. This lipstick was gifted to me and I just love it, guys. I love the shade of this lipstick, so I just go ahead and apply that. And you guys know I love my gloss. Like, I don't know what I would do without lip gloss. I don't know, man. I don't know. But yes, I'll just go ahead and apply that shiny gloss. Then I just go ahead and finish this off using the Anastasia Beverly Hills lip gloss just in the center of my lips, and I just apply this. Just to finish this off and lock everything in, I'm using the Morphe finishing powder just to literally just set everything in. And then I'll be using the Tilbury airbrush setting spray. Guys, I'm so sad because it's almost finished, guys, but this is the final look, guys. I am so in love. Look at how airbrushed I look. Look at how beautiful this makeup look turned out. Let me know what you guys think about this makeup look, the foundation, if you guys are gonna try it. And also don't forget to turn on your notification bell to get notified for whenever I do post a new video, and subscribe to the channel. Bye.